Do you want to master site registration in the pharma industry? What is the site? The site, it means manufacturing site registration. One of the most important topics ever in the pharma industry. One of the most foundational topics ever in the regulatory affairs practicing when you plan to register any kind of product, pharmaceutical product or medical device with any healthcare authority ever across the globe. The site registration in the backbone structure for which that you need to register your site and then build upon the site your products. So, join me in this trip and let's fly together to mastering the site registration across the different healthcare authorities across the globe for both medical devices and pharmaceutical products. And let's take off and start our interesting journey. So, my name is Zahra Hassan. I came to you from the industry. I have up to more than 10 years of experience in the pharma industry. I believe in order to be such an expert in such a career, you need to combine both study plus practice. That's why I have 3 master's degrees. I started my first one in the field of pharmacology and toxicology, and this was like some sort of collaboration between the UAE University Faculty of Medicine and Manchester University in the UK. I have 2 publications out of this one. And then when I found my passion in the pharma industry, I decided to follow my passion there and I did my MBA. Then my third one, it's in a very interesting career, relatively new career also in the pharma industry, which is the pharmacovigilance, the field which is dealing with the safety of the product. And this is actually from Bordeaux University, France, which is currently I'm a PhD student there. This is in addition to my membership in the RAP Society of the US for the regulatory affairs. So, let me be pilot today. Let's travel together to the site registration world. Let's master site registration for covering whole medical devices and pharmaceutical products also with different healthcare authorities across the globe. So, I count to see you on my course, I count to see you on board, and best of luck of all of you, and thank you.